Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make everyone's favorite chile relleno casserole. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by roasting our 6 chile poblanos. So just place them on your comal and allow them to get roasted all around. Okay, and once they're done, we can transfer them to a Ziploc bag, seal it, and allow the chiles to sweat. Alright, and while we wait, we're going to make our salsa. So to a saucepan, add 4 Roma tomatoes, a little piece of onion, chiles serranos or jalapenos, I'm using 3, and chile de árbol, I'm using 4. Of course, depending on how spicy you want your salsa, it depends on how much you're going to add. Now we're just going to cover them with water, set it over high heat, and bring it to a boil. Okay, and once that's done, just transfer everything to the blender cup. To the blender cup, we're also going to add 2 garlic cloves, oregano, salt, and black pepper, and 1/4 of a cup of water. Now just blend it till smooth. Great, and once we have our salsa, we can take it back to the stove. Alright, now to the same saucepan over medium heat, we're going to heat up a little bit of oil. Once that's hot, we're going to add our salsa. And now we're just going to bring it to a simmer. Okay, once it comes to a simmer, taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. But now we're just going to reduce the heat to medium-low and allow it to continue simmering for about 5 minutes. Alrighty, so after 5 minutes, our salsa is done. So now we're just going to set it to the side until it's time to serve. Okay, now so at this point, our chiles should be ready. So now we're going to begin to peel them and prep them for our casserole. Alrighty, and once we have our peppers, now we can get ready to make our egg batter. Alright, now to make our egg batter, we're going to grab our 6 eggs and just separate the egg yolk from the egg whites. Alright, so now that we have our egg whites, we're just going to be beating them for 3 to 5 minutes until they're nice and fluffy. Alright, so after 3 minutes, my egg whites are done, and you're going to know that they're ready once you flip over your bowl and they don't fall down. So now we're just going to set those to the side. And now to the egg yolks, we're going to be adding our 1/4 of a cup of milk or heavy cream, salt, black pepper, and baking powder, and 1/3 of a cup of all-purpose flour. Now just mix it together until everything is well combined. Now we're going to grab our egg whites and carefully fold them into our egg yolk mixture. Alright, so once we have our egg batter, now we can get ready for the fun part. Alright, now here you want to make sure that your oven's already preheating to 350 degrees. Okay, now grab your baking dish, lightly spray it with some oil. Make sure to get the sides. And I grab half of the egg batter and pour it in. And make sure to spray it nice and even. Okay, now layer it with your chile poblanos and rip them if you need to. Add half of your cheese. Add another layer of the chile poblanos. Okay, now add the rest of your egg batter. Again, make sure that it is nice and even. Top it with some more cheese. Okay, now we're going to take it to the oven and allow it to bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Alrighty guys, and after 30 minutes, my chile relleno casserole is done. So now we're just going to allow it to rest for about 20 minutes. Alrighty guys, and after 20 minutes, we can now get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys, if you love chile rellenos but don't love the oily that comes with it, you're most definitely going to love this casserole. This is honestly the easiest way. It's so delicious. I promise you, you're going to love and enjoy. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. So delicious. And it is honestly perfect to make during your gatherings. It's so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make my super easy and delicious chile relleno casserole. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.